protractor is an instrument that measures angles. So if we place the vertex of an angle at the center of the bottom of the protractor, this would be our vertex, and we place one ray or segment on the angle at 0, say some point here, then the measure of the angle would be given by the number that it falls on the other ray. So let's call this point A, B, and then we measure and we choose one more side. So let's choose the side here, for example. That means that if I were to connect this line, my angle here, which we would say would be angle ABC, would be equal to the measure that the point lies on. Now notice that the inner part of the protractor and the outer part are different, and what they are, the inner and the outer equal 180. So since we're on the right side, before 90 degrees, we're looking at the inner, this inner angle, because we're starting our point A from the right side. So ABC has a measure of 60 degrees. Now let's choose another point, D, for example. And we'll follow this here. Notice that this is also 60 and 120, like this 60 and 120. But since this angle has passed 90 degrees, it's now greater than 90, and it's 120 degrees. So we would say that angle ABD would be 120 degrees. If we looked at A, B, and let's call this E, for example, this would be exactly 90 degrees. A, B, E would equal 90. If you came from the opposite side, let's call this F, and we looked at F, B, and E, it would also equal 90 degrees. F, B, and E would equal 90 degrees. And notice that there is no other number here, it's only 90, because as you approach 90, you are approaching a right angle, which is an angle that is 90 degrees. If we looked at a point, let's say here, G, and we went from FBG, B going to, let's say G is here, that angle is going to be 40 degrees. Angle FBG would equal 40 degrees. Because we're starting from the side F. Now, if we started from A and we looked at ABG, now we're starting from the opposite side. ABG is going to be bigger than 90 degrees, so it would have to be 140. So there are names for the types of angles. we'll have type of angle. So we'll start with acute. An acute angle is between 0 and 90 degrees. This small circle here is the sign for degrees. So we can look here and see that ABC is 60. This we would say is an acute angle. We can have a right angle. This is a right angle. And this is exactly 90 degrees. So here, these two are both right angles. An obtuse angle is an angle greater than 90 degrees. So for example, ABG is 140 degrees. This would be considered an obtuse angle. So this would be between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. A straight angle would be angle FBA. Angle FBA. It's exactly 180 degrees. And a reflex angle would be an angle greater than 180 degrees. So for example, this would be reflex. That's between 180 and 360.